How to grow your business using social media. Hi, today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly relevant and exciting: how to grow your business using social media. In today's digital age, social media has become an indispensable tool for business growth and success. So, let's explore the strategies and tactics that can help you leverage social media to take your business to new heights. 1. The power of social media for business. Before we dive into the strategies, let's discuss the immense potential of social media for business growth. Social media platforms have billions of active users. It's where people spend a significant portion of their time. This presents a massive opportunity for businesses to connect with their target audience. 2. Choosing the right social media platforms. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Let's explore how to choose the right ones for your business. Step 1. It all starts with understanding your target audience. Different platforms cater to different demographics. Understanding your audience's preferences and behaviors will guide you in choosing the most effective platforms. Step 2. Research each platform. Each social media platform has its unique strengths and audience. Research each platform to understand their advantages, the kind of content that performs best, and the engagement levels. This will help you tailor your strategy for each platform. Step 3. Evaluate your content type. Are you planning on sharing images, videos, articles, or a mix? Different platforms are better suited for specific content types. Choose platforms that align with your content strategy. 3. Crafting an effective social media strategy. Now that we know which platforms to focus on, let's discuss crafting a solid social media strategy. Step 1. Set clear goals. Start with setting clear and achievable goals for your social media efforts. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, or boosting sales, having clear goals will keep you on track. Step 2. Plan your content calendar. Create a content calendar to ensure a regular and organized posting schedule. This will help maintain a consistent presence and engage your audience effectively. Step 3. Engage and build relationships. Social media is a two-way street. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and participating in discussions. Building relationships with your audience is crucial for long-term success. Step 4. Analyze and optimize. Analyze the performance of your posts and campaigns. Identify what's working and what's not. Use this data to optimize your strategy for better results. 4. Leveraging social media. Social media advertising can give your business an extra boost. Let's discuss how to leverage it effectively. Step 1. Define your advertising objectives. Start by clearly defining your objectives. Whether it's increasing website visits, driving sales, or generating leads, your objectives will guide your ad campaign. Step 2. Target your audience effectively. Social media platforms offer advanced targeting options. Utilize these options to reach your specific target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. Step 3. Create compelling ad creatives. Your ad creative is the first thing your audience sees. Make sure it's attention-grabbing, informative, and aligns with your brand. High-quality visuals and engaging copy are essential. Step 4. Monitor and optimize your ads. Constant monitoring is crucial for successful advertising. Monitor the performance of your ads regularly. If you notice an ad isn't performing well, don't hesitate to make adjustments to improve its effectiveness. 5. Building a community and fostering engagement. Building a community around your brand is a powerful way to grow your business on social media. Step 1. Be authentic and genuine. Authenticity is key to building trust. Be genuine in your interactions, share behind-the-scenes looks, and let your audience see the human side of your brand. Step 2. Encourage user-generated content. Your audience can be your best promoters. Encourage your audience to create and share content related to your brand. It's a great way to increase engagement and reach a broader audience. Step 3. Host contests and giveaways. Contests and giveaways are a fun way to engage your audience. Offer exciting prizes and incentives to encourage participation. It can help boost your brand's visibility and engagement. Step 4. Listen to your audience. Pay attention to what your audience is saying. Listen to their feedback, comments, and suggestions. Use this information to tailor your products, services, or content to meet their needs and preferences. And there you have it. How to grow your business with social media. It's a powerful tool that, when used strategically, can significantly impact your business's success. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience, crafting a solid strategy, and staying engaged. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.